Good morning. Already 10 question I explained. Today I explain for 11 question. This question is very important for any state board examination, yeah, any CBSE, ICSE, because all topic is same, only for different question and asking for pattern chapter for trigonometry, means medium mode, quadratic equations, coordinate geometry, all board are same, but only asking for question are different pattern. Okay, then this is a helpful for all board examination. Then let's start for question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 is sin A value is given root 3 by 2 and cos A is given 1 by 2. Then find the value of tan A. Then first tan A equals to sin A by cos A. Then sin A already value is given root 3 by 2 and cos A value is 1 by 2. If this is a formula A by B by C by D, then formula is A into D and B into C. Okay, then you multiply 3 into root 3 into 2 and 2 into 1. You cancel root 2 cancel, then answer is root 3. How can solve? Here question 11, sin A equals to root 3 by 2 and cos A equals to 1 by 2. Then find the value of tan A. Tan A formula is sin A by cos A. Sin A value is given root 3 by 2 and cos A value is 1 by 2. Then root 3 by 2, 2 into 2, 2 cancel, then answer is root 3. Question number 12. Write the empirical relation between the three measures of center tendency, mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Then formula is this is a formula. This is a remember. Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. Formula is mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. You remember, this is a relation between mean, median, mode. This is a question number 12. This is a question number 11. Okay. Then question number 13. 13 is express the quadratic equation x plus 1 by 2 3 by x in standard form. Then here there 13 number question, x plus 1 by 2 and 3 by x. You cross multiplication. Okay, you cross multiplication. There here x plus 1 equals to 3 into 2. Then here you multiply x square plus x equals to 6. Then x square plus x negative 6 equals to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form. Standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then here a value is 1, b value is 1 and c value is negative 6. Then go for 40 number question. This is a only 1 mark question, very easy. You cross multiplication, x plus 1 cross multiplication, x you crossing multiplication, 3 into 2 6, x into x plus x square plus x, and you go this side after right hand side x6, then you come for left hand side negative come x square plus x negative 6 equals to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form of anyone ask standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then 40 number question, find the distance of the point 6 and 8 from the origin. If any distance point of origin, then formula is x square plus y square and the root of square root of x square y square. Then you square 6 square plus 8 square. then a square root of 6, 36 plus 64, then a square root of 100. 100 square root of value is 10. Then answer is 10. Because here ask, just here I explain again, this is a point. You point, this is a origin. Okay, here one point is given 6 and 8 because both are positive. You find only distance, and distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. But here one point is given, this is the distance formula. Okay, then here one point is 0 0. Then our only formula is what? X square plus y square. Then x1, this is a 6, 6 square plus 8 square. Then this is a formula. This is a 40 number question. This is it. You apply only for distance formula. What is distance formula? X2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. You how many times you solve the question? You write first formula. Then you remember each and every time. Then go for 15 number question. Here 15 number question is given. One figure is given. PQR similar to ROS. Here two triangle given POQ. Okay, similar to triangle ROC. Then here if similar triangle, then both triangle ratio proportion is equal. Then here PO equals to RO. OQ ratio OS and PQ ratio RS. Okay, then here PQ and SR, if this is value given 1 by 2, then you find only OQ by OS 1 by 2, but here given not reverse, OS by OQ. Then here you reverse, this is also reverse, then the answer is 2 by 1. This is the answer. Because here just change OQ by OS, but question ask OS by OQ. Then here you change 2 go for numerator and 1 come for denominator. Then next question for 16. 16 number question. The circumference of the circular has base cylinder is 44 and height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. Then what is the curved surface area of? This is a 16 number question. What is the curved surface area? Curved surface area is 2 pi r h, because this is a circular base, this is a cylinder. Cylinder figure is just this type. This type of cylinder. Okay. Just you think this is a cylinder, then surface area. Surface area. Surface area is 2 pi rh. 2 given 2 pi r value is given 44. Then you multiply 44 is 2 pi r value, and h value is 10. Then answer is 440 centimeter square. Because here right, the circumference of the circular base. Then you think this is a figure. Then this is a circular, then you already know circular base circumference is 2 pi r. Then already given 2 pi r value is what? 44 and height is 10. Then you multiply 44 into 10, 440 centimeter. Then next go for 16 number question. 16 number question is this is a very proof that 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. This is a 2 mark question. Okay, then how can solve this proof that? Each and every time one question ask same pattern question, only digit are same. You each and every question solve same pattern. Okay, but only you where digit is given change, then you also change the digit. How can solve this question? First you start here. You write Let 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Okay, you write first 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, if irrational number is what? P by Q form? Yeah, A by P, anything you let. P by Q, yeah, A by B. This is a error and where P and Q are integer and Q not equals to 0. Okay, integer you write co-prime number. Co-prime number. Here P and Q is a co-prime number. What is co-prime number? Co-prime is two regular uh, prime number whose common difference, whose highest common factor is only for 1. Okay, just for 2 and 3. This is a co-prime number. 3 and 5, this is a co-prime number. 5 and 7, this is a co-prime number. Because this all co-prime numbers are highest common factor is only for 1. This is called co-prime number. Okay. Then here you start what is rational number? Rational number is always P by Q form. Then here A by B equals to 3 plus root 5. You A by B, this side come 3, this side root 5. Here you B, you write A minus 3B root 5. You already very well know this root 5 is a irrational number. Tell me, you let this is a rational number and this is irrational number. How can possible? Rational number, irrational number, how can both are equal? This is a not true, na? This is a false. This is not true because we all very know very well root square root of 5 is a irrational number. Okay, then you let a minus 3 be this is a irrational number. Then here you write we know that root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, root 5 is irrational number. Then then how can possible irrational number and rational number equal? Then it is a contradiction. Here right, it is a contradiction. Means your assumption is false. Your assumption is false. Okay. Then if this is irrational number, then what? Full 3 plus 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Proof. Again I explain now. Here one question is given. Here one question is given. Root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. This is a irrational number. You prove this is a irrational number. But I let 3 because how can prove? You let contradict. Here given irrational number, you let rational number. Let 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. If rational number is always what? P by Q form. P by Q, here you write either P by Q integer, here write co-prime number. Here I explain what is co-prime number. Co-prime number is a both prime number have common factor means highest common factor is only for 1. Just example 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9. 7, 9, these all are highest common factor is co to 1. This is a called co-prime number. Then here you a by b, here 3, you let right left hand side come a minus 3b equals to root 5, square root of 5. You know very well, we know that root 5 is a irrational number because this is a prime number. Square root of all number are irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational number never come for pyq form. These numbers always come repeating time. Just root 3 values 1.31313, not perfect come for 0. Remainders never come for 0. Always coming remainder for some, and repeating this value is called for irrational number, not perfect pyq form. Then here root 5 is irrational number, but a minus b 3 by b is a rational number. How can possible? Irrational number and rational number how can equal? Then you tell this is also irrational number. It is a contradiction. Assumption is false. Then 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Then next go for 18 number. 18 number is very easy. 18 number question is given. What is the composite number? Tell composite number is a more, more than two factor.